Hello everyone, I'm Angela from Burnley and Trowbridge. Today I want to give you a little background about thread winders and demonstrate what a handy sewing tool they are to have. Thread winders date very far back, with examples being found as early as the Viking Age. Thread production would have been produced through spinning and wound into hanks or skeins. Thread could then be pulled from the hank and stored on the thread winders for ease of use. These early winders were made of bone and horn and wood, and as the 18th century progressed and on into the 19th century, such materials as ivory, shell, and metal were added. Designs became more decorative and elaborate, and paper winders with advertisements could be found in the Victorian era. Although individual spools of thread could be found for purchase by the 1830s, hanks were still a common way to purchase thread. The idea of winding persists to this day, with paper and plastic winders being sewed to sort your embroidery and crewel threads. Our thread winders are based on original 18th and one early 19th century example from my own collection. They are a convenient way to sort different weights of thread in small amounts to fit in housewives or a sewing box. They're also easy to wind. I'm working with our standard winder, which is a somewhat generic one that can work for a lot of different time periods. You can start by winding, holding your thumb on the thread and winding opposite to opposite. Once you've sufficiently filled that part up, then go and wind in the opposite direction. Once you have a sufficient amount of thread on your winder, it then becomes a convenient way to carry your thread in your housewife or in your sewing box. So there you have it, another fun tool for your sewing box. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when we drop new content. Meanwhile, happy sewing!